Every classroom globe you have ever touched is a lie. We are taught that Earth is a perfect, flawless sphere drifting through space. But if you were to actually pull out a cosmic tape measure, you would discover that our planet is physically stretched, squashed, and covered in gravitational dents. Earth is not a sphere. It is an oblate spheroid. To understand why, you have to look at how our planet moves. Earth is constantly spinning on its axis at roughly 1,000 miles per hour. This rapid rotation creates centrifugal force. Just like pizza dough flattens and stretches outward when a chef spins it in the air, the mass of the Earth bulges outward at the equator. Because of this continuous spin, the distance around the equator is actually 26 miles wider than the distance from pole to pole. You weigh slightly less at the equator than you do at the North Pole because you are physically further away from the Earth's center of mass. But the distortion does not stop there. Earth's mass is not distributed evenly. Dense mountain ranges and massive, deep ocean trenches create variations in gravity. These gravitational differences pull the ocean water into invisible hills and valleys, creating an irregular, lumpy shape known as a geoid. Our home isn't a perfect geometric marble. It is a spinning, stretched, lumpy rock, perfectly shaped by the chaotic physics of our solar system.